Hi, to unhide apps on your Vivo V40, we will need to open settings first, and here scroll till we see the security tab. Now, we just need to swipe up to check this privacy and app encryption section. So, if you would like to unhide your apps, then you have hide them before, right? So in that case, you have already created the password and here you need to simply enter it. And now you can see the screen. So you just need to go in this app hiding and scroll a bit. Here you would see the amount of hidden apps and you would see them on the top of the page. In my case it is Facebook because the switcher lights up blue. And to unhide it we just need to tap on the switcher so it will become gray like others. And now we have 0 hidden apps. So let's go back and let's check it. Yeah, Facebook appeared in the drawer. So that's it how you unhide apps on your Vivo V40. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.